the fun of waking up at a truck stop and never knowing what you're going to find. It is 9:32 p.m. I'm getting ready. I'm just southwest of Kansas City and woke up to this. I have no idea what's going on, but I see an ambulance and at least 3 cruisers, but I also have a reflection over there. It looks like there might be a 4th cruiser. So I have no idea what's going on. They're all standing over by the